The Aviation. It's mysterious, antiquated and floral. If it was a person, they'd be turning up at the airport dressed like the man from Del Monte, with their wife looking like she was lost on the Titanic because they're taking an EasyJet flight to Tuscany. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. The lineup: gin, maraschino, which is a cherry liqueur, Creme De Violette, which gives its drink its purplish hue, and fresh lemon juice. Okay, so we're going to be stirring this one today. Anders Ericsson planted this idea in my head, and I genuinely think this is the best way to serve them. Add to your mixing glass 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of gin. Then add half an ounce, that's 15 ml of maraschino. Add to this a quarter of an ounce, that's 7.5 ml of Creme De Violette. I was a bit over generous here. Then lastly follow up with half an ounce, that's 15 ml of fresh lemon juice. Add ice to your mixing glass and stir this for around 40 seconds. The Aviation was invented by Hugo at the Hotel Wallick in New York City. It's not some romantic tale about rich people flying on private jets in the old days, or someone crying at you for taking a flight to go on holiday. Using a julep or hawthorn strainer, strain into a chilled coupe glass. Okay, for the garnish, people traditionally place a cherry into the glass. I don't personally want something that looks like it belongs in Ed Gein's house, so I'm spearing the cherry and I'm placing it along the side of the glass. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy, and have a couple more and behave yourselves.